Hey guys, Dave here. I picked up this MagFire torch at Home Depot the other day, and I thought I would give it an unboxing and review for you guys. I'm just your regular everyday homeowner wanting to get rid of some serious weeds. So, take a look.
I've been living in my house here for, well, almost 20 years now, and every year I've been dealing with these weeds over here. And every year I come by and I pull them, and it seems like I don't know, 2 weeks later they're back. And then down over here, there's tons of weeds in these rocks, and there's tons of weeds in those rocks, and all over in the backyard. And you know what? I'm sick of looking at these weeds and getting on my hands and knees and pulling them all the time. So today I've decided to buy a yard torch. That's right, an outdoor yard torch to burn that stuff up. I've never in my life used one. I'm gonna figure it out right here on camera with you right now. So stick around and check out. It's from Home Depot, about 50 bucks. Comes with a nice extra hose, a striker, and the torch itself. Make sure you got your protective gear. I got some gloves and some glasses, good to have that on, to make sure that we're set for the program here. Here we go. All right. It's pretty lightweight. All right, nice long hose. Looks like there's two ends of the hose, one that's gonna go towards the torch, and the other one that's gonna go into the propane bottle. Notice it's got the interior threads. A lot of people are used to the exterior threads on a propane bottle, but there are interior threads as well. It's just gonna go ahead and screw right into there. Looks like they're left-hand threaded. Yeah, they are. Threads in the opposite way than normal. Got a little bit of a snap there. All right, I'm gonna come back with a tool here in a little bit and tighten that up. I'm gonna make sure to have a tool here to tighten it up onto the wand as well. So I'll grab those and be right back. And snugging it down, making sure it's good and tight. Okay. Let's get to work. Hey guys, we're back. We got all the connections nice and tight. Got the propane bottle all set, ready to go. I brought a bucket of water out in case we catch something on fire. I want to be able to put that out right away. Looks like we're set to go. So first things first, get the propane bottle turned on all the way. All right, and we got the valve here. And it comes with a striker. Ooh, that's a nice big torch. See if we got much adjustment on it. Alright, so you can kind of pick the flame, get the flame set right. Alright, let's see how this thing works. Put it on there. Whoa, it kicks out some heat when you squeeze that trigger. Looks like it really is getting it pretty good, burning up those roots. Now, if you have anything on the ground here that might catch fire, make sure you move that before you hit it. Obviously, check around to see if there's any animals or toads living back there. I've done that already. Looks like I'm ready to hit a little bit more. Now, this is a little bit bigger. I don't know how this is going to work. We're going to try this other section of the yard now. As you can see, these rocks are supposed to just be rocks, but they've been overgrown by these weeds. So first thing is I'm going to move the downspout, get that out of the way, get the combustible stuff out of the way. And it looks like it's ready to go. I'm going to be watching out for that plastic thing right there. It doesn't seem to get too hot if you don't aim at it, so hopefully that'll be good. I'm just going to work around the rocks. I'm going to avoid the edging here as best I can, and we'll see how it goes. All right, let's get this thing started. Turn the valve on, get the striker ready. There we go. Get it adjusted. purposes I bought this MagTorch model MT5500 was for this little kind of this walkway in our backyard. It was made with concrete blocks in the form, and we're always getting little tiny things growing in it. And you know, one year I was using some like Roundup ground kill kind of stuff to get rid of it, but that leached off into the flower beds, into the grass, killing it. So that's what I've been picking by hand. But now that I got this torch, I'm gonna give it a shot here as well. After doing a little bit up on the hill, I noticed you gotta be pretty careful about what you hit. Leaves will catch on fire and lift off, of course, so always be very safe with this. Good idea to make sure you have gloves and good shoes to make sure you're not going to catch that on fire too. So I'm going to do this again. I'll come back and review a little bit later on how I think it worked today, as well as how it's working in the future. Thanks for checking out the video. Well guys, I've been running around this yard here for about the last hour or so, just checking out all the different weeds and places to do this. I went into the small rock area like a pea gravel and it worked great in there. Big rocks it worked good in. I tried it in mulch. And it can work, but you got to be careful because you can light mulch on fire pretty quick. Overall, I was really happy with how this MagTorch worked. It was kind of hot kicking off. I probably should have worn long pants. I'm sure it says that in the instructions to wear long pants, and probably leather boots and gloves and everything. But overall, I felt like I was doing a really good job. It took care of a ton of weeds. So much more fun than getting down and picking them by hand. And I'm hoping in the long run it gets rid of the weeds so they don't grow back quite as fast. You know, weeds, it probably will. But either way, I guess the MagTorch gets a thumbs up from me. Please like and subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching.
Well, it's been about a week and a half since I did the MagTorch unboxing and review, and I thought I'd show you the photos. They still look great. I think the roots must have been burned out because the weeds aren't coming back as fast as they had in the past, and perhaps some of the seeds that were in there maybe going to germinate didn't germinate because they got burned out. So it was good. I do have to say, be careful around your desired plants. A desired plant might get burned by the heat. I tried to shield them, but obviously I didn't do a good enough job. So if you're going to do this, make sure you have some kind of heat shield that you carry around with you to block your desired plants. Overall, the MagTorch Plus gets a thumbs up rating from me, guys. Have fun and enjoy taking care of those weeds in your yard.